Did you know that ATM security and surveillance alone costs lakhs of rupees per site? Now, imagine hundreds of sites. Alarming, isn't it? ATMs are prone to thefts and fires that don't get timely attention. Not to mention maintenance, a formidable task by itself. Introducing Inoculate, a unique end-to-end IoT solution that is intelligent, insightful, preemptive, and cost-effective. Strategically placed sensors and cameras coupled with an efficient on-site energy management system delivers a secure and complete e-surveillance experience in real time. Key highlights include asset monitoring, remote operations, video surveillance, field service support, and energy management. So, how does it work? Here's a real-life example of a fire that broke out in the back room of an ATM. The dedicated smoke sensor installed in the back room triggers an alarm and generates a fire event which, packaged with a video of the incident, is transmitted to our network of neurons. These neurons process this information using a combination of stream analytics, cognitive computing, and dynamic business rules in real time. A ticket is then created on our portal, notifying the user who has access to the event video or a live stream. Simultaneously, Inoculate sends SMS alerts, email notifications, and even initiates a call to the site. Pretty neat, huh? But wait, there's more. Our energy management system analyzes the footfall for each site and plots customer activity over time to create a schedule which is used to regulate the temperature and lighting within the site. Visit us at Aparano